I'm Tanya. Welcome to Plan 2 at the Meadows. This home features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a flex space. Let's take a look. If Plan 2 feels like your kind of home, we'd love to show you more. Please schedule a tour today of the Meadows.